G'day folks, Jim here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Financial News Network for the 3rd of May on behalf of AxiTrader. Okay, it's a fairly soft day for the euro today after poor unemployment and manufacturing data kept a lid on it. Got down to 130, 120, but the dollar was really unable to take full advantage of the weakness in the euro today after the poor ADP unemployment data from the States. Which comes in ahead of the non-farm payrolls on Friday. So that ensures that the dollar is not going to be a runaway success for the next 24 hours at least. The euro at the moment's at 130, 160, and of course we've got the ECB rate decision and Mario Draghi's press conference later on today. No change expected from the ECB, but there is the possibility of a further cash injection into the banking system. But overall, in the bigger picture, the 130 to 133 range remains pretty much intact. Elsewhere, what is there? Sterling's pretty big. That's up at 162, so it's off its highs of the previous day at 163. But it's doing okay, mainly on the back of flows out of the euro and into sterling, which is supportive of the cross. That's been down to a low of 81.10 overnight. A small bounce from there, 81.20 at the moment. But it looks to me as though headed towards a bigger picture objective of 80.65. The yen is currently holding on to levels just above 80. It's possible we might see a test of 79.5 next week. There's big support there. But it's a Tokyo holiday today. Golden Week continues, so don't expect too much action in the yen. The Aussie, well, that's been down to 102.83. It still looks soft. But there's sovereign bars down there. And the channel support at 102.60 hasn't been put under too much pressure as yet. We've had a bounce to 103.30, which is where we are now. I think it might have been a little bit of a bear trap down there, and the market might be caught a little bit short. So a squeeze up to 103.5 wouldn't surprise, but I think there's plenty of sellers between 103.5 and 103.80. What else? We've got the Kiwi unemployment numbers due out shortly. The Kiwi's currently trading at 80.85. Not doing an awful lot, but it's looking a little bit soft right now. Aside from the ECB later on today, we've got the weekly jobless claims figures out of the States, and they'll be reasonably closely watched. But that's really about it. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, so go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. As usual, though, with this report, all these views are personal view only and not meant to be used for trading purposes. So that's about it. Otherwise, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.